These form the major portion of the sides and roof of the cranial cavity.
ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రాంచైజ్ ఇండియాలో మనం మిండా సిల్క్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ షాప్లో ఉన్నాం. వీళ్ళు కీ డూప్లికేషన్స్ ఇందులో ఇండియాలో మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ యూనిట్స్లో వీళ్ళు లార్జెస్ట్ కంపెనీ. వీళ్ళది ఫ్రాంచైజీ షాప్కి వచ్చున్నాం మనం. వాళ్ళ మాటల్లో అడుగుదాం. హాయ్ సార్.
హాయ్.
వెల్కమ్ టు ఫ్రాంచైజ్ ఇండియా.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
సార్. మీ ప్రోడక్ట్ గురించి దీని గురించి కొద్దిగా బ్రీఫ్ చేయండి.
सर इफ़ यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश
प्लीज़ इंग्लिश और हिंदी
इंग्लिश
कोई बात नहीं है. हाँ आप बोलिए जी. आपका प्रोडक्ट बारे में ये आप फ्रेंचाइजी दिया कितना प्राइस में दिया?
सर वी आर द बिगेस्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ कीज एंड की डुप्लीकेटिंग मशीन्स वर्ल्ड वाइड. ओके we already have dealers across India and Southeast Asia. But what we are promoting here is a organized way of key duplication, because locksmithing is not regarded as a profession in India. People look at it as from a different perspective. So we came out of our distribution business and now we are offering franchises of key duplication, which is called as Silka Keys and Accessory Stores. So the customer not only gets keys duplicated at the center, but they get to know about more accessories related to the locksmithing, even lock sets, padlocks, the normal locks of the house, everything. So what we are doing here is we have made it very affordable for the franchisee owner. It is very low skill level, very less requirements into the thing, and a person can get trained within half day for doing a key duplication kind of a thing. For this we are providing a complete package where we provide machines, an initial kit of keys for 40,000-50,000 rupees, then certification, Silka certification that he is a trained locksmith, and then legalized and professional way of doing the locksmithing business in India.
Wow. How much cost for this franchise?
So it starts from 1.25 lakhs and the maximum package price is 9 lakhs. So we have 4-5 layers of packages, and in each package you get the machines, keys and training certification, everything. And it is not like that in the lowest package you will not be able to duplicate any key. You will be able to service all the requirements, whether it is a small package or it is the biggest package.
Okay.
The difference is between the mechanical machines or the electronic machines.
Okay.
Yeah.
आप कैसे लॉक्स वही देते और व्हीकल्स का, घर का, पूरा?
We give keys for all kind of locks. Any kind of a lock which is available in the market, we have keys for them. We are supplier of lock sets to all the OEMs. So for automotive segment we supply, then for domestic segment also, whatever is the player like Harrison, Link, Godrej, Kaba locks, Asa Abloy, every locks we have the keys. So we provide it for all kind of
अभी ये सेंसर लॉक्स वही आया ना?
हाँ जी, that is the latest technology. The transponders are in between all the automotive lock sets.
जी.
Any vehicle which is made after 2010, they have got a sensor or chip. The technical name is transponder. So we provide the solution for those keys also.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.